Welcome to Journey of Knowledge. In today's video, we're going to explore 10 technologies that will change our lives in 2025. From artificial intelligence to smart homes, these innovations will shape our future. Let's dive into the details and see what the future holds. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting tech content. 1. Advanced artificial intelligence. In 2025, artificial intelligence will be far more advanced than what we see today. Smart assistants like Siri and Alexa will evolve to interact more deeply with our emotions and daily needs. These systems will be capable of making precise decisions based on data gathered from our daily lives. Additionally, AI will play a major role in healthcare, as it will continuously monitor our health and analyze detailed medical data, helping in early diagnosis and improving treatments. 2. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars will be one of the biggest innovations in 2025. These cars will be equipped with the latest technologies, including cameras and sensors, to improve safety and reduce accidents. You'll be able to go on long trips without worrying about driving, as the car will do it all for you. These cars will also be more fuel efficient and have a lower environmental impact, which will significantly contribute to reducing carbon emissions. 3.5G technology. 5G technology will completely change how we communicate. With download and upload speeds hundreds of times faster than 4G, we'll be able to stream videos in high quality without buffering and download files at incredible speeds. This will pave the way for new technologies like virtual reality and artificial intelligence. With 5G, online gaming and social interactions will be faster and smoother. This network will be a foundation for building smart cities, where everything will be connected through a single network. 4. Smart healthcare. In 2025, smart health devices will constantly monitor your health in real time. You'll be able to use wearable devices to track blood pressure, heart rate, blood sugar, and more. These devices will send data directly to doctors for continuous monitoring. This will lead to more accurate diagnoses and treatments, allowing doctors to make quick and precise decisions about your health. 5. Smart homes. Smart homes will be an essential part of our daily lives in 2025. From smart lighting to controlling the AC via your phone, every device in your home will be connected. You'll be able to control everything with a single app, like turning on the TV or locking the doors remotely. Additionally, security systems such as cameras and sensors will improve, contributing to better personal security in homes. 6. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR technologies will be even more advanced in 2025. In education, you will be able to interact with learning materials through AR, allowing you to learn about science or history through live visual experiences. In entertainment, you'll have the opportunity to travel to remote places using VR or even play in 3D environments, creating more immersive experiences. 7. 3D printing. 3D printing will be able to print furniture, food, and even human organs. In the future, we could print our favorite foods at home, or even print complex objects like car parts or medical equipment. This technology will radically change the manufacturing process, making it more efficient and cost-effective. 8. Digital currencies and fintech. Digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum will become more widespread by 2025. These currencies will be part of the global financial system, allowing individuals to make financial transactions easily and securely. Blockchain technology will help ensure transparency and security in financial transactions, opening the door to new opportunities in areas like e-commerce and finance. 9. Smart robots. Robots will become much smarter in the future. They will be used in healthcare, smart homes, and even education. Robots will be able to perform tasks like caring for children or elderly people, helping save time and effort. Additionally, robots will be used in precise surgical operations, contributing to better outcomes in surgeries. 10. Renewable energy technology. Renewable energy technology will be one of the most significant developments in 2025. We will see a rise in the use of solar power and wind energy to generate electricity more sustainably. This will help reduce pollution and create a cleaner environment. Furthermore, energy storage technologies will improve, making it easier to use renewable energy more effectively. These were the 10 things that will change our lives in 2025. The future is full of exciting innovations that will make our lives more advanced. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.